Hey guys, so that was my Zabuza drawing done with just an HB pencil. I tried to make a good looking drawing and a good sketch by using just a simple HB pencil which we all have. This sketch reminded me of my older drawing which I used to do when I had started this channel. At that time I had no other material, so I used to draw and make sketches just by using pencils. I used to do a lot of manga sketches just like this one, and I had a lot of fun like I used to earlier. It's been a long time since I did a drawing like this, a manga drawing, especially with just a pencil. I enjoyed the whole process of making this drawing. It was so smooth, and as we all know, pencils are one of the most comfortable tools to work with, and it was really satisfying to draw one of my favorite characters from the Naruto series, which is Zabuza. I think pencils are and pencils will always be one of my favorite tools to work with and to draw my drawings. I had a lot of fun drawing this character after so long with a manga style sketch. I hope you enjoyed too. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and also leave a comment down below and share which other character you would like me to draw in future by using just a pencil. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more awesome videos, art challenges and more awesome drawing. And you can also ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I am on YouTube. And that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep those pencils moving.